I never hiked, like never. I didn't start hiking until I met this girl right here. I mean, that's when my hiking started, but I do enjoy it. It's a great exercise, and you can definitely appreciate the landscapes.
For us, our
Yeah.
first date was rock climbing, if
Yeah.
that says anything.
Yeah, that's true.
If you know us as a couple, we can go and do things and really disconnect and completely enjoy each other's presence. Nature makes me feel alive. I mean, it's so free-flowing, but also so still at the same time. It gives you an opportunity to really appreciate what's around you. Even with how silent it can also be so loud at the same time. You get to open up in how you're feeling and what you're thinking about, while also being able to find a centerpiece and finding the beauty in what's around you in the simplest things.
Some of my favorite shots for the mountains, like drone shots. I think you kind of can really appreciate the landscape when you get drone shots. I think that's definitely probably one of my favorites.
The mountains for sure. I'm definitely a mountains girl. I mean, there's just something about having a fire burning up in the mountains that brings so much warmth and joy to you, and being surrounded by the greenery and even the dirt. There's something about it that just makes me feel so connected to my surroundings.